Hello again, welcome back to the Flutter Boring Show. We're going to be adding caching to the Hacker News app, a much requested feature.
True.
Actually, before that, I'm going to jump in and add, right now when you tap on these stories, you just see story. And I think in an earlier iteration we had the, it displayed the number of comments, and we got rid of that when we were no longer hard coding things. Mm-hmm. So we're going to add it the proper way. And I pulled up the Hacker News API up on GitHub, and this has all the fields. And here you can see that descendants, in the case of stories or polls, shows the total comment count.
Oh,
which
indeed.
is,
that's handy.
yes, conveniently named descendants, but you know. So let's see. That is in, oops, here, I think it's like raw item, build item, there we go. And article type, we want to do article.descendants. Oh, and that's an int, so we want to, actually, let's make that
Oh, it's
text.
an int? Oh, okay.
It's the number of comments.
Oh, okay.
And then I'll just say comments. Great. Look at
Ooh,
that.
that's
98
awesome.
comments.
Can you show another? Ah, nice.
This
That
blog
was
has moved.
quick. What?
Yes.
No, I want to read it. Okay.
Okay, so, and then we actually noticed we had a bug that we just implemented. So Philip added pulling in the stories from the Hacker News API, from the top and the news stories. And right now, if you tap between them, wait.
Yeah, it's just, I think,
does show.
Yeah, it does show, but it's so slow because we're not caching that it looks like it's not changing
I see.
sometimes. If you like click back and forth to
I see.
So we should probably
Maybe we should implement some caching.
Yeah.
Okay. So to do that, let's go into our block. And so what we're doing is, so we're hitting this, let's see, this is a list. So what we want to do is, we can make I was going to make a hash map of article ID to article that has been parsed. But no.
No, yeah, sure. No. I'm saying because I thought we would just like put the articles that we got to some list and then reuse it, or.
Sure. What I was thinking is like, so this takes the top, say, 10 stories.
Right.
What if someone posts another one?
Right.
If you get one updated one, were you just going to invalidate the whole list?
Good point.
So
yes.
if we put in a hash map, we get one new one and all the others are still cached.
Yeah.
And so we can look them up individually. So yes, yours like is quicker for like a whole block.
Right.
But like I think for 10 articles, it's not
Yes.
going to be that bad. So I'm trying to remember now. So in what you actually, yeah, I was sitting there watching you code it, and now I need to orient myself. We are getting the IDs. We take this list. Where does this get called?
In many places actually. A 3.
Get articles and update. Okay, so how about instead? Let's get rid of that. How about we write this to a list? Or sorry, we'll take this and store it in the hash map once we get those IDs. No. Actually, we're going to, once we get the articles, store that in the hash map. So let's go to definition of that.
Right. So yeah. Okay. So I
You see what I'm saying?
was thinking that the delay is because just the first call, but it's actually because of all the 10 other calls for the articles, right? Yeah,
I think.
Yes, that's perfectly reasonable. So yeah, what I wanted to cache is like everything, but Emily has a much better point in like always getting the latest IDs and then reusing whatever we have for the articles themselves. That's great. Yes.
So I'm writing a hash map, int article, and then when we have that update articles. No wait, I was just there. Where was it? I apologize. My font size is bigger than I like it with this. Get articles and update. Here we go. Okay, so now we have is loading. We have the list of IDs. We have.
I just checked that article is a built thing, so
Yes.
it will have good hash. So that's good.
Great. Oh, thank you for checking.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just need to find. We have initialized articles, update articles. I'm just like,
Yeah.
okay.
Do you want to we can rename initialize articles with something like kickstart or something, because that's only called once.
Well, I think initialize says that. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to organize these things. So I'm going to put initialize kind of near.
Right.
Well, we'll put it after our declarations, but near this. Oh, and here's another little bit of cleanup. We have some declarations here and some here. Right. Oh, wait, no, those are getters. Never mind. Okay, so getter, initialize, close, get article. Okay, so here's where we want. In get article, we want to say if our cached articles contains key of this ID. Actually, we could just say if it doesn't contain, do the thing.
I think with a throw as well.
Yes, thank you. And then, and if here we want to say cached articles ID equals results. And then we'll say return cached articles ID.
Oh, okay, interesting. And then in that case, you'll need else for the throw. Otherwise, you always throw.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yep. That would be sad.
You would throw my favorite
Oh,
error.
yes, the excellent error.
But still. Okay. Yeah, that was quick.
Okay, so now... hooray! An exception!
Perhaps my one.
Oh, actually, you know why? It's because I need to do a hot restart because I declared something.
Contains key. Trade calling on null.
What?
Is it null?
So, okay, actually, I think I'm gonna restart this. This is a new machine, and I think my VS Code is a little wonky. I was noticing hot restart was not quite happy with me. Try it again. If this doesn't work, then we can.
Yeah, it's weird. Cache articles.
Because it should be.
Yeah,
it's like
it shouldn't
right here.
be now ever.
That's funny though that it thought it was there, but then, well, whatever. Okay, so here.
Yeah. Nice.
All right.
All right.
Great. So there you have it. That is how you do caching. Basically, in summary, it's all within the block. It's all hidden from the UI because the UI doesn't care how you get the information. And it's just under the covers we're returning the data faster because we have a little hash map.
Yeah. So that's great. So I think that's been great. What's next? Do we say? I think it's almost ready to publish it to the Play Store.
Yeah. So stay tuned, and you can you can learn how to publish your beautiful new app to the Google Play Store.